If you're traveling to Madrid, now is the best time to travel. Here are 7 ways to enjoy the city on a budget. Stick around for all of them because as a family that actually lives in Madrid, we know these tips work and use them ourselves all the time. But first, hey everyone, Teagan here. I'm the voice you hear on this channel. Mom, Johlene, started this channel way back. We're a family. There's also Dad, Umberto, and my brother Luca, who love discovering new places. Our aim is to help you travel in Europe on a budget with a touch of luxury. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're always updated when we post a new video. January and February are the perfect months to visit Madrid. It's low season, meaning cheaper flights, fewer crowds, and best of all, winter sales. After the holidays, which end on January 6th in Spain, shops offer massive post-holiday discounts. It's the best time to score deals on things you've been eyeing or things that are usually pricey. Real quick, I just wanted to talk to you about our digital travel planner. From packing lists, budget planners, and outfit planners, to checklists, a whole section dedicated to road trips, and ways to organize all of your research, this planner has everything you need to plan your trip and keep all of your info in one place. And the cool part is, it's fully editable and hyperlinked, so it kind of works like an app. Check it out if it's something that you might be interested in. Okay, on with the video. Avoid things like taxis, car rentals, or ride shares. These options can really add up and most of the time aren't worth it. Madrid is super walkable and its public transport system is really good and effective with plenty of cheap or even free ways to get around. For example, Bus 001 is completely free and stops at major tourist spots, running from the Atocha train station to the iconic street of Gran Via or Paseo del Prado, which is home to the famous Prado Museum. It operates from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. and comes every 7 to 8 minutes on weekdays. Madrid also offers city bikes and electric scooters and an excellent subway and train system. We cover everything you need to know in our Madrid transport guide video, where we'll also spill the tea on affordable rideshare options, so definitely check it out after this. Dinner places are much more expensive, and Madrid has many affordable options with great food. Most traditional restaurants serve what the locals call menú del día. A menú del día in Spain is a set lunch menu offered at many restaurants, usually including a starter, main dish, dessert or coffee, bread, and a drink, all for a fixed price, usually for around the same price as a main. For dinner, rather choose one of the city's many tapas bars. And speaking of tapas bars, San Miguel is a popular food market by Plaza Mayor, and it has an incredible vibe, but it is easy to overspend because it's not the cheapest. We suggest you walk around the whole market first to spot your favorites and make your way back to them afterwards. Although, despite the price, we definitely think you should stay for a drink and maybe something to snack on, just for the experience. There's no need to spend a lot of money to enjoy what the city has to offer. If you're staying at a hotel, don't get breakfast included. Hotel breakfasts are usually not worth it for the price, and they're not going to give you the authentic Spanish experience. There are a ton of breakfast spots throughout the city. Just walk out your door and you'll find countless boards promoting the breakfast menu for a fraction of the cost of a hotel breakfast. Try a cup of coffee with pan tumaca, which is toast with shredded tomato, olive oil, and salt, one of my favorite breakfasts here in Spain, or churros con chocolate. We recommend trying it at San Ginés. It's a popular place here in Madrid that's been around since 1894, and they make the chocolate thick and velvety, which is the best kind to dip your churros in. Many attractions, museums, tours, and even transport tickets offer special deals for students, seniors, groups, or families with 3 or more kids. If discounts don't apply, plan your visit for free entry days instead. Most museums in Madrid, like in many European cities, have a specific days with free admission. Some must-visit spots we recommend are the Prado Museum. This is the main Spanish National Art Museum. It's free between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. between Monday and Saturday. On Sunday, it's free between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. We also recommend the Museum of History of Madrid and the Lope de Vega House Museum because both of these are always free. The Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum is free on Saturdays from 9 to 11 p.m. Also, the Reina Sofia Museum, free on Mondays and Wednesdays to Saturdays from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. and Sundays from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Another great one that we highly recommend is the Royal Palace of Madrid. It's free from Monday to Thursday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. but in the winter from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. But the last time that you can go in is 1 hour before closing time. For a full list of Madrid's top attractions, plus tips and directions using public transport, check out the link to our blog post in the description. Take advantage of all the free activities Madrid has to offer. Our philosophy is, if you mostly do things that are free, you can enjoy a nice dinner or a fancy souvenir or splurge on a treat here and there. It's actually more cost effective than spending on a lot of things, even if they aren't that expensive, throughout the whole day. So here are some free things to do in Madrid. Number 1 is to stroll in Retiro Park. Retiro Park is the main park in the city center and is a beautiful place to walk around and enjoy the fresh air. Definitely stop to see the Estanque Grande del Retiro, which is the Great Pond of El Retiro. El Palacio de Cristal, a big glass conservatory, one of my favorite things to see in Madrid. And Paseo de las Estatuas, a long lane of statues where you can learn about Spain's history. Retiro also has an amazing restaurant called Florida Park. It's on the pricey side, but you can totally just go for a drink. Afterwards, try to watch the sunset from the grass hills in Puerta del Ángel Caído. I actually just did this the other day and it was so relaxing. Although it was rudely interrupted by the cold, as soon as the sun sets, it's time to move. Next one, stroll by the lake in Casa de Campo. We don't come here often, and every time we do, we say, why don't we come here more often? It's really a beautiful place to be in nature, and there are plenty of restaurants with a view of the lake that offer Menú del Día, which is the set lunch menu we talked about earlier. Lots of families come here to enjoy the day, and it always has such a great vibe. Next, visit Madrid's stunning churches. The ones we recommend are, for example, the Catedral de Almudena. The tour of the church's museum has an entry fee, but it's free to see the actual church, which you can access through the entrance on Calle de Bailén Street. This cathedral is right next to the Royal Palace and its interior is absolutely incredible, a must visit in Madrid. There are plenty more to visit and we mention a few more on the blog post with some useful info about. So if you enjoy exploring different churches, we highly recommend you go check that out. If art is more your thing, see the Lavapiés street art. Lavapiés neighborhood is full of really unique urban art. You can walk around on your own or explore at your own pace if you just want to look at cool art. Or you can book a tour if street art is really your thing. Again, visit museums and attractions on free entry days. And check out the book market in between Atocha and Retiro Park called Feria del Libro in Cuesta de Moyano. A long line of wooden huts selling second-hand books, open every day from 9:30 in the morning to 1:30 p.m. And then again from 4:30 to 7 p.m. In fact, this year is the 100th anniversary of this market. If you like thrifting, definitely stroll in La Latina's iconic Sunday flea market called El Rastro de la Latina. It is open every Sunday from 9 in the morning to 3 p.m. Another great option is to see the Templo de Devot. It's an old 2nd century Egyptian temple right in the city. You can go at any time and it's totally free to go. Although the tour of the palace has an admission fee, you can stroll in the palace gardens for free. They're called Campo del Moro, and just keep in mind that they're open from 10 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. Toledo isn't part of Madrid, but it's a beautiful old town in Castilla-La Mancha. It's known for the medieval Arab, Jewish, and Christian monuments. To get there, you can take the high-speed AVE trains that depart from Madrid Atocha station to Toledo, and it takes about 30 minutes. And tickets are approximately 13 to 15 euros each way, although buses are also available from Plaza Elíptica with journeys around 50 minutes and tickets costing about 5 euros. Cercedilla is a great place if you enjoy being in nature, with tons of beautiful hiking trails. You can take a Renfe Cercanías train on line C8B from Atocha or Chamartín station, and it takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Tickets cost around 5 euros. Navacerrada is a gorgeous little town in the north of Madrid, halfway to Segovia. To get there, take the green bus 691 from Moncloa. If you like to ski or want to enjoy the snow, take the Cercanías train from Chamartín to Cercedilla, which again will be line C8B, then switch to line C9 towards Puerto de Navacerrada. The total journey is about 2 hours with a combined ticket price of approximately 8 euros. Thank you for watching. We do want to let you know that we have a newsletter that goes out every Thursday where we share our top tips to travel in Europe on a budget, travel updates, and so much more. So definitely check out the link in the description and get a free packing list when you sign up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels!